Hello, welcome to this session of understanding how a relay driver IC called uln2003 works. It's typically there are transistors inside, switching transistors inside, and we will see how it works. Here we have connected to pin number 1 a logic state which can come from the microcontroller or any digital circuit, and the corresponding pin for 1 is 16. Similarly for 2 is 15, 3 is 14, and so on. It's got to be given a power supply at pin number 9 for 12 volts. Supposing we have to run the relay, this is a relay, and you have to run the relay at 12 volt, you have to give supply to 12 volt and also to the relay, one of the coils of the relay, 12 volt. The other side of the coil of the relay goes to pin number 16 if at all we are to operate from pin number 1, because pin number 1 corresponds to 16, 2 to 15. We can connect, if we give to pin number 2, we can connect one more relay here, and pin number 3 we can connect one more relay. Like that we can connect about 7 relays. The relay is just like a electromagnetic switch. The normal switch we operate by our hand, but this relay will be operated by a electromagnetic arrangement, and that is how we call it electromagnetic relay, or in short the relay. We also have connected a logic probe here to understand what is the condition here when the condition is 0 or 1 at the input. What is the condition of at this place 0 or 1? And then what we have connected here, the contact points of the relay. This is called the normally closed contact. This is the common point, and this is the normally open point. And when this point changes to this side, that means when the current flows in the coil, this will change from this side to this side, which will complete the path of the AC supply. This AC supply could be 230 volt, it could be a 230 volt lamp. So the AC supply will pass through this path, and in the process this lamp will glow. So this is how a relay driver IC works, and as we said, we can connect 7 such relays for this particular IC, and then there is another IC uln2003 where you can connect about 8 relays. But let's confine our discussion to uln2003, where we will see only operation for one relay, and then the balance of course is clearly understood. Now when we operate this particular system, we find here now the AC supply is available and this lamp is not glowing. Why? Because this point is high and this point is also high, high being 12 volt, and this point we find in logic it's also high. So high to high the current is not going to flow. Once we make the input as high, you find this goes to 0 and this point changes to this side and the lamp starts glowing. And if I make it 0, the lamp stops. So in effect this is somewhat like an inverter. That means if this is 0, this becomes 1, and if this is 1, this becomes 0. Now let's see once again. Now the lamp starts glowing. The lamp starts glowing because the path is complete. Every time we have to see how the path is complete, and this is how the relay driver IC is used for this kind of operation. One can always make another arrangement where the relay, the lamp will be permanently glowing, but will be switched off when the logic condition changes. For example, if I delete this and if I connect it to say this place, and now I power, and then when I make, there is no power flowing and but the lamp is glowing because the path is complete. Now when I make this 1, the lamp stops. This is the reverse logic. As per your requirement, you have to use whether the NC contact, this is called the NC contact, this is called common contact, this is NC contact, this is normally closed, and this is called NO contact, based on which your load will be switched on, switched off,